Check out 10 amazing dances from South Sudan.
First up, we have the Dinka Bor tribe. This dance is all about storytelling through powerful and rhythmic movements. Next, let's groove with the newer tribe's Thoknath dance. It's a high-energy dance that brings communities together during celebrations. Now, brace yourself for the Azande tribe's Gebere dance. It's a mesmerizing dance performed during special ceremonies and festivities. Moving on, we have the Bari tribe's Kuku dance. This dance is characterized by its lively steps and vibrant costumes. The Lotuko tribe's Oba dance comes next. This one is a true spectacle, filled with dramatic movements and chants. Don't miss the Mundari dance. It's a dance of unity and strength performed during important communal events. Now get ready for the Shilluk tribe's dance. This dance is a beautiful expression of their rich cultural heritage. We also have the Toposa tribe's Kachipo dance. It's a high-spirited dance that showcases their unique traditions. Next in line is the Acholi tribe's Larakaraka dance. This courtship dance is full of energy and joy, often performed during weddings. Next, celebrate with the Pojulu tribe. It's an exhilarating dance that brings everyone together in celebration. Finally, we have Anuak tribe. Each of these dances is more than just movement. They tell stories, preserve history, and keep traditions alive. So whether you're from South Sudan or just love learning about different cultures, let's honor these incredible dances. Happy Independence Day, South Sudan. Let's keep dancing, celebrating, and cherishing our rich heritage. Until next time, stay joyful and keep moving.